What's happening, everybody? Al here. So today I'm going to bring you part 2 of the Steeda Stop the Hop Kit install on the 2018 Mustang. In this video you'll see Matt the mechanic. He explains the parts a little bit more and goes into detail about the parts and problems that they solve in the car and so on. So I think you guys are going to enjoy that. Also, I'd like to call out somebody I've been following on YouTube. I'm Gone in 60. This is a really cool guy. He just bought himself a 2019 Mustang Bullet and he's already modifying it, so he's got a lot going on. Check his channel out. And so I'm just going to roll into part 2, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. Check it out. Here we go. That's it. There's the old ones, the old axles. I don't know, just playing it safe, getting them out of there before we break them. And there's the hardware that we didn't use. We upgraded them to something a little bit stronger for the differential housing bushings. So yeah, you know, get this weak stuff out of the car. Get some strong stuff in there. So what's up there?
So this is the open, you know, this area right here is the void in the IRS itself. And this piece we make, it fits, you slide this piece in the back, and this piece pushes into the, you know, into this piece, and then we have 2 bolts that tighten it all together, and it takes up this whole area of the IRS, so the IRS doesn't, you know, it doesn't flex up and down under hard acceleration. Right. And then the top, the top piece right here, it's just kind of lays in there like this and fills the voids, and when you tighten it down, the teeth in the top of the insert, you can see how it bites into the frame itself. So once it does that, this compresses the bushing a little and it doesn't go anywhere. It doesn't allow it to move.
I should stiffen it up.
Oh yeah. That's how our 2-piece works in the rear. With the 2 tabs, it fills the voids up here on this side. So all you do is just pull down, slide it up in there like that, and it sits in there. And then this piece here takes up this area. It's got these little indentions that fit in here. Just kind of push that in place and it lays in there. And then this is the centering. It centers the IRS and the threads on the body. This piece just kind of goes up in there like that, and it lays in there. And then you move the IRS around to get the bolt. Now you get it true centered in the center of the car. And the bolt, you know, the bolt will not move now inside the housing. That allows it to center it.
That's great. This is what I'm after. You're stiffening that stuff up. And you guys really got some nice products. Wonderful.
Sometimes I gotta move it around a little bit to get it started. Now, because I'm going to do the other side.
So you'll just leave this side loose while you do the other side?
Yes, it makes it a lot easier.
Cool.
Let me just start that a little bit.
That's great, man.
This right here. This bolt goes right up here in the front.
Way to go. Here's another good look at the muffler with one of them. I had no idea that these mufflers look like that. I mean, I see all the aftermarket mufflers and tiny little things. These things are massively big. Look at that. Man alive. All of that stuff. Right?
No, those are just heat shields.
Heat shields, okay.
Shields around the gas tank.
Big suitcase. So if you guys can see this, but this is a good look at the underside of the car. Get to see some stuff. Drive shaft, right? See the exhaust right there. You can see the also the transmission pan is plastic. I didn't know that. And the oil pan just the same. And here's a look at a Steeda brace that I had put on right there. Simple thing, but it'll stiffen up the front of the car a little bit. Kind of stuff that we're after here. some of the front suspension. You see it there.
Grease up the back.
Anything special about that grease, or just regular grease?
No, it's just synthetic wheel bearing grease. Just allows it, you know, allows the piece to slide in there a little bit better.
Right.
This goes back behind there like that.
That's it.
You do have to like work it in there. I usually just take the drive off. Like that.
There you go. Just about right.
And then it goes with this piece up top. There you go.
You make it look easy.
Preparation.
Experience. True professional. Just like that. You just drop it in there like that. Simple thing, but such a pain in the neck to do yourself.
There you go.
You just make that look so easy.
It is easy.
It's like you're just putting it together.
It is easy. Look, it's just, that's it. Simple. Boom. Done. And we can't forget our centering. So that goes into like that. Sometimes you gotta hold this, swing this over so that holds. This bolt here.
That is just great. Here's something that I thought might be a little interesting to look at. This is the 20-inch wheel that's on the 18 Mustang, right? This tire and wheel combination offers about a tread patch of about 9.5 inches on this tire. What is this tire? This is a D65 3520, right? 9, you know, it's shy of 10 inches, about 9.5 inches. Let's I don't know. Let's see how this story goes. So we're just about buttoned up at this point, exhausted. We got one of these braces in here already. We're going to go do the other side.
Support brace, brace.
See, everything's all installed nice and tight. Really cool.
We're already backing off just a little bit. this area, that's where one of the Allen bolts are going to go. So you just put this in here, like that. So you have threads to thread the bolt into. I start it like this. I'll start this bolt first on this side. I'll start first. And that allows it to hang there, so then you can start these bolts over there and start those. You'll have to, sometimes they don't exactly line up, so you gotta use,
Hey Rod, what's happening, man?
Hey,
All right,
come
guys.
out, see how things are going.
Things
I had
are
to
going.
ask Matt a question.
You know, this is Rod. This is my salesman. This is the guy who's been returning all my phone calls and returning all my emails. And I got to tell you, the service has been great. Thanks a lot, Rod.
No problem. Glad to be
Yeah.
able to help you out, Al.
So, yeah, so the car's just about ready. Matt's got
Yeah,
it all,
looks great.
all squared away, and it was a great experience. I can't say enough about it. It's awesome, man.
Yeah, glad to have you as a customer. Appreciate
All right,
it.
that's it. We're out at Steeda. We got some major components in the suspension all stiffened up, and we're ready to move on to the next phase. So, stay with us.
Yeah, looks great.
what's up, little girl? How you doing?
The mechanics like young.
Oh, it's all right?
You go. All right, that's a workout, huh?
Yeah.
There you go. There you go. That's it. We're in like Flint. What do they weigh, Matt? Like 50 pounds each? They say they're heavy.
Down first, and then I'll torque them on the ground.
That's it. She's almost ready. That's it. That's how it's done. Thanks, brother. This is when we double check everything. This car's got to go on the alignment rack. Make sure everything is where it's supposed to be. Look at this pile of stuff they got in here. Springs and drive shafts and shit. All this stuff is waste, man. All replaced with Steeda parts. I just think that's such a damn nice looking car. Get it all squared away up on the alignment rack.
going on here, man?
That's the alignment of your car.
Yeah.
The only
we're looking
thing,
good.
the only thing that's out is the left front toe.
Oh yeah, I see it. Look at that. Just to slide around.
That's it. So
All right,
we'll
cool.
fix that very easily, and then on your way you'll be.
All right, man. We're not doing too bad. Awesome. Everything's right there. We're gonna adjust on that toe. Matt, underneath the car, taking care of it right now. Look at that guy. Amazing. Now we're over to the left front.
All right, guys, we're here with Matt. We just finished up the installation of all the suspension parts. Matt did a great job. Absolutely awesome, Matt.
Yes, sir. Thanks for your business. Appreciate it.
All right, so that's it for this phase of the build. We'll catch you next time. All right, guys, so that concludes the Steeda Stop to Hop Kit install on the 2018 Mustang. When we left the shop that day, it was raining, and I really couldn't put the car to the test, but I can say that it is different. The car feels very different, and when the weather clears up and I can drive the car around a little bit and, you know, test it out, I'll have a video of what it's like to drive around in a car that's got those parts in it. So, you know, I had a really good time down at Steeda. I had basically plenty of time to roam about the shop and, you know, check out the things that are going on. If you look in the videos, you'll see that there was a bunch of project cars going on in there, and I've got video of all of it. So I'll upload a video soon of what that's all about. I had a good time with that. And you know, I've been buying parts from Steeda for a very, very long time. Back in 1985, I bought this Fox body. That's an 1982 Mustang GT. At the time when I bought it, I did not realize, you know, the car had been hit. The GT nose piece is gone. The TRX wheels are gone. It had bent axles. I mean, there was a lot of problems with it, but that was a car that I could afford, and that was the car that I bought. And I've got a lot of pictures of that car, all of the builds. I had several different engines in it, and different rear ends and transmissions and so on. So at some point, I'm going to upload a video about all of that as well. So, you know, it just goes to confirm it's a great time to be alive. So thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you later.